2 pi, it is 2 pi minus theta, and this is 2 pi plus theta, like that. All silver teacups. And a very important note is that, whenever pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 are coming, there is a change. What is the change? Sine will convert into cos, cos will convert into sine. Tan will convert into cot, cot will convert into tan. Cosecant will convert into secant, secant will convert into cosecant. In order, I'll write it in order. The next step is NOT. Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 are there means there will be a change. The change is sine will change it to cos, cos will change it to sine. Tan will change it to cot and cot will change it to tan. Cosecant and the secant. There is a change observed. If pi comma 2 pi comes, no change. No change means sine is like sine, cos is cos, tan is tan, like that. Okay, what is the use, sir? These many things you are saying. Can you say one problem? I'm saying one problem. I'm saying that sine pi by 2 plus theta. Can anyone say pi by 2 plus theta lies in which quadrant? I'm saying here only.
Sir,
Sine, yeah.
Second quadrant.
2, yeah.
Sir, second.
Second quadrant, sine is positive.
Yes, sir.
Dekho, second quadrant, sine is positive. Since pi by 2 comes, sine is changed into cos. Cos pi plus theta, next one. Whenever I ask it this, you should first look about pi plus theta. Pi
So
plus
third
theta lies
quadrant.
in
Third quadrant.
pi plus theta lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative.
Negative.
Third quadrant cos is negative. And since pi is there, there will be no change. Cos is like cos only.
So not on the
Yes.
So cos.
See, I'll explain it again. No problem. Now see. Sir, I gave tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Dekho Baba. No one, don't respond. Those who said didn't understand, respond. 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in which quadrant?
third quadrant.
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. Dekho, ये तो third quadrant है. Where my pen is moving. Third quadrant tan is positive or negative?
Negative.
Eh? Third quadrant tan
Positive.
negative, positive.
The positive. Yes, sir.
Positive. Now 3 pi by 2. If 3 pi by 2 is there, there will be a change. It will change into cot theta. Again, I'm saying, see. Again, I'm saying, see, sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Can anyone say 3 pi by 2 plus theta lies in which quadrant?
Sir, fourth quadrant.
3 pi by 2 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. So we can say that the sign is negative. And 3 pi by 2 is there. Since 3 pi by 2 is there, sign will change into cos. Since 3 pi by 2 is there, sign is changed into cos. One more takes in. Cos.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, if it is positive, then it will change to negative. I've written.
It is positive means positive only, no?
Sir,
You have changed into negative minus cos theta.
Idhar
Cos
change
pi.
Sorry, 3 pi by 2 plus theta कितना, which quadrant it is?
Fourth quadrant, sir.
Fourth quadrant में sign क्या है?
Negative.
Negative. Fourth quadrant में खाली cos and secant only positive हुआ. Remaining
Yes,
all
sir.
trigonometric ratios negative आता है.
Yes,
ये
sir,
तो
yes.
sign में दिया. साइन को नेगेटिव आया, मतलब 5/2 है 3π/2, so sin is changed into cos.
ओके सर।
सर
हाँ
सर वो जो cos वाला वैल्यू कितना होगा? साइन साइन तो माइनस है, cos θ/2 कितना होगा?
देखो देखो cos का वैल्यू देखो, cos 3π/2 प्लस थीटा कितना क्वाड्रेंट में?
फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट।
फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में cos का वैल्यू क्या है?
सर पॉजिटिव।
cos का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है, मतलब
Yes, sir.
3π/2 आया, 3π/2
Sin.
आया तो चेंज हुआ, तो sin
Sin.
π/2 आया। अरे आफ्टर, अरे 5/2 नहीं, ये थीटा है भाई, क्या थीटा अननोन वैल्यू आया 5/2। shall I explain again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सर ये सर
yes क्या है इस वाली चीज के बाद
করছ ফটাফট কর,
mute yourself buddy।
বসি বসি নুহে, যদি নম ফম কাহিକି করতে ঢের সময় লাগিব।
What's your mother tongue? What's language name is for?
হ্যাঁ
Odia?
হ্যাঁ
Yes, sir.
পাঁচটা তো 5 মিনিট র হবো, ফটাফট কর।
Yes, sir.
I'm not understanding at least one piece also।
ତୁ ତ ଲେଖିତେ ମେଡ ଘଷିବୁ, ଏଠି ମାସ ଟାଣିବୁ,
He's
ଏବାଡ
scolding someone।
କୁଣ୍ଡିବୁ, ଏବାଡ ଏଠି ଫଟାଫଟ
He's
ତ ଭାଗ
holding someone or he's saying anything to you?
ହଁ ମୁଁ ତ ଘର କରତେ ଦେମିନି, ଯଦି କଥା କହିଲୁନି ତେଣୁ ସରିଥାନ୍ତାନି।
Hey, Ramkrishna, unmute yourself। Ramkrishna, देखो, the question is sin 3π/2 minus theta baba। First, don't give any response, I'll explain। 3π/2 plus theta, 3π/2 minus theta, ये तो 3π/2 है ना, 3π/2 minus theta lies in third quadrant। थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में tan पॉजिटिव है, तो साइन ना, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में tan cot only पॉजिटिव, साइन वाला नेगेटिव है, वो नेगेटिव आया। नाउ as I said, π/2 comes means like 3π/2 comes means change should come, sign will change to cos theta। cos pi plus theta is the one more question। cos pi plus theta, cos pi plus theta, pi plus theta lies in which quadrant?
Third.
pi plus theta lies in third quadrant। थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में tan cot, खाली tan and cot only positive, so cos is negative। Since pi is there,
So not understood.
Sir, how you change?
yeah, I'll repeat it again। So cos
So it is
3π/2
minus cos theta.
minus cos theta,
Cos theta. Yes, sir.
cos pi plus theta, it will become minus cos theta। The same way 3π/2 plus theta, 3π/2 plus theta।
Sir, you are not audible.
First copy that please, first copy that please, copy that figure, I'll change my position। నాకు తెలుసులేదు। Please copy that।
सर sir.
Done, sir.
Sir.
Copy.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
सर वो वाला फिर से साइन 3π/2 माइनस थीटा कैसे हुआ माइनस कोस थीटा
ऐसे है ऐसे I'm explaining sir. 3π/2 minus theta which quadrant it is? 3π/2 minus theta कितना quadrant में आई है भाई?
सर थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट
हाँ नहीं let him speak. थर्ड quadrant में आई है ना? देखो
यस सर
ये थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियोस पॉजिटिव हुआ?
सर टेन एंड कोट
हाँ ये तो साइन आया था क्वेश्चन में, ये नेगेटिव में आया नेगेटिव. नाउ 3π/2 comes means sin is changed into cos.
यस सर
That's what. Next cos pi plus theta. So next cos pi plus theta भाई. pi plus theta lies in कितना quadrant है? pi plus theta देखो pi plus theta lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant में negative तो negative and since pi is there will no change. Cos is like cos only. Now ये आखिरी वाला cot 3π/2 plus theta कितना quadrant में आया? 3π/2 plus theta.
So fourth quadrant.
फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में आया.
Yes, sir.
फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में cot is नेगेटिव है. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट
Yes,
में देखो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में cos secant पूरा पॉजिटिव है. ये बाकी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियोस नेगेटिव हुआ, ये तो नेगेटिव है एंड π/2 is there so it will become tan theta.
Tan theta.
So first to copy this theory, afterwards first copy that and let me know neatly. I'm saying you please remember 2 years and that engineering also you have to learn this. Please copy it.
Sir, not understood that.
Which one, Ray?
That cos 3/2 plus.
I'll do it. First to draw the figure. I will explain again. That's what I'm saying. First to draw the figure, darling.
Completed, sir.
So neatly write down. Don't leave any part. Every part is important there. Please neatly write down and afterwards once check whether you wrote correct or wrong. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please copy this. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Now see, so many questions will solve today. So many questions. The first one, sin pi by 2 plus theta. Can anyone say what is that? First you say, afterwards I'll say the answer. I'll explain.
Sir, cos theta.
See, pi by 2 plus theta lies
Sir,
in,
minus cos theta.
So second second
I'll say
quadrant.
it lies in second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Second quadrant sign is positive.
Yes, sir, minus cos theta.
So positive
sir.
rabai, positive
Yes, sir.
rabai.
Positive, it remains same.
So pi by 2 means sign will change to cos theta.
Cos theta.
One more thing. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Can anyone first?
Minus sin theta.
So third
Sin
quadrant.
theta.
Minus sin theta.
Minus sin theta.
Yes, sir.
So cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta. So we have to look like 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant.
Third quadrant.
So third quadrant, cos is negative. Am I correct? So minus,
Yes, sir.
and since 3 pi by 2 is there, cos is changed into sin theta. Nearly 20 problems I'll teach. Still you are not able to understand means I'll repeat it again. Next. Tan 2 pi minus theta. Tan 2 pi minus theta.
Minus theta.
Very good, Nana. Very good. Very good. So 2 pi minus theta lies in 2 pi minus theta
Minus
lies
tan
in,
theta.
Minus 10.
So
2
fourth
pi
quadrant.
2 pi minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, and the fourth quadrant tan is negative. Fourth quadrant tan is negative. Since 2
So no
pi is
change.
there, no
No
change.
change.
So it is nothing but minus tan theta. Am I correct? Next one. What? Pi by 2 minus theta. Can anyone? I'll ask the name. You have to respond. Abhishek Mohapatra.
Yes, sir.
Can you say what is the answer for this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Plus cos theta.
Hmm.
Tan theta.
Sir,
Plus
sir, tan
tan
theta.
theta.
Is tan theta. Correct home? It is a tan theta. Next. I'll ask na, those person only respond so that I can interact with them. Secant pi by 2 plus theta. Ayush Behara. Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Can you say secant pi by 2 plus theta का वैल्यू कितना हुआ?
The cosec theta.
How many
After
languages
minus-
you know?
Sir, minus cosec theta.
Aish, how many languages you know? Aish,
Say 2.
what are those?
So English, Hindi.
English, India. Okay, okay. Now, see, pi by 2 plus theta lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant, secant is negative, so it is minus. Since pi by 2 is there, secant is converted into cosecant. Now I will give 5 questions. Try to do it. And don't reveal the answer. We all together will discuss. It is a cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta tan 2 pi minus theta cosecant pi plus theta sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Chup, everyone try to do and don't reveal the answer. We all together will discuss it.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Hold.
Sir, I not understood that where I should give minus sign and where should I give plus sign.
First question देखो. The first question once read. Cos.
So that's cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta.
3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in which quadrant?
So third quadrant.
Third quadrant में cos.
Yes, sir.
थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियोस पॉजिटिव हुआ? tan एंड cot.
Yes, sir.
मतलब cos का वैल्यू क्या आया? माइनस आया ना? सर एक ही थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में ये tan एंड cot दोनों का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव से, बाकी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियोस नेगेटिव आया. सो cos is a thing, so you will get negative.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Two minutes, I'll reveal the things. Now I am saying, see, Gautam finished?
Yes, sir, finished.
Yeah, I am saying, you see. The questions are, can anyone say? First
Yes,
one?
sir.
Sir.
Minus sin theta.
Minus
Sir,
sign.
minus sin theta.
Yeah, I'll explain
Yes, sir.
why. So cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in
The third quadrant.
3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant. Yes. In the third quadrant, cos is negative. In the third quadrant, cos is negative. And the third quadrant, cos is negative. And 3 pi by 2 is there. Cos is changed into sine. It is a minus sine theta. That only, no? Next one. Tan 2 pi minus theta. Tan 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Fourth quadrant में
Minus
tan
10
negative.
minus 10
Very good. ये pi by 2 नहीं है तो trigonometrical ratio का change नहीं है. The next one, secant pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta lies in first quadrant. Pi by 2 minus theta lies in first quadrant.
Cosec theta.
Cosec theta.
So it will become cosecant theta since pi by 2 is there. The same way, cosecant pi minus theta. Cosecant pi minus theta. Since pi plus theta lies in which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
second
Second quadrant. Third quadrant na pi plus theta.
Yes, sir.
So pi plus theta third quadrant. Third quadrant cosecant is
Third
negative.
quadrant.
Third
So
quadrant
minus
cosecant
minus
Negative.
cosec theta
Minus cosec theta.
next. Sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta.
So minus cos theta.
Minus cos.
Minus
cos theta.
minus cos theta.
Minus cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now, you know, now, so have you know these values like 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Have you know these values or not? In the lower sections you studied.
Yes, sir.
If you do,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
if you
sir.
know, I teach. If you know, please draw the table first. If you know, please draw the table so that I can calculate big values easily. Please, if you know the values, copy it or else I'll do it, no issue. Copy it, please.
Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed. Now I'm doing the questions. If they gave like, look at, if they gave like sine, one question is saying sine 1845. Look, can you calculate this? Why this much? If I am giving sine 135 degrees in the table, is it there or not?
No, sir.
Array, while you are calculating 135 degrees in the table, it is there or not?
No, sir.
So it can be written as 90 plus 45. 90 is nothing but kya baba? Pi by 2 na? 90 is nothing but pi by 2. Now pi by 2 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Sine pi by 2 plus theta, it lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine is positive. So since pi by 2 is there, sine is changed into cos. Since pi by 2 is there, sine is changed into cos.
Sir.
So angle kitna hai? 45. 1 by root 2.
Sir. Sir.
क्या बाबा बोल.
Sir, that you 45 not taken that theta.
हाँ.
45 that.
देखो कि क्या आया? pi by 2 plus theta आया. Pi by 2 मतलब 90 हुआ ना. Now we studied lot of theory behind. Sin pi by 2 plus theta कितना आया? ये तो second quadrant में sin positive है. Yeah. And it will become cos
Yes,
theta.
cos theta.
And theta का value 45 है. Cos 45 1 by root 2 है.
Directly we can solve putting the value of sin 90 plus sin 45.
No. You can't write like that, man. Sin 90 plus sin 95 is absolutely wrong. Okay? You can't do like that. Have you understood this?
So explain again.
So the question is sin 135 degrees. Whenever sin 135 is there, I am writing as a 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45, 135 मालूम है आपका. And it is in the form of, this is pi by 2, this is theta. Sin pi by 2 plus theta, how much? Sin pi by 2 plus theta, just now we studied.
Sir.
Sin pi by 2 theta is a cos theta. And theta का value 45 है. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sir, can you please calculate tan 135 का value, please fast? कितना हुआ? First copy sin 135 value. First copy sin 135 value.
Sir, -1.
Sir, -1.
So -1.
Yes, it is -1.
Sir, it is -1.
Explaining again. Oh, -1 came, I'm explaining. 135 can be written as a tan 90 plus 45. It can be written as a tan 90 plus 45. It can be written as a pi by 2 plus theta. Tan pi by 2. Listen. tan pi by 2 plus theta, it will become minus cot theta. So theta ka value 45 है, minus 1. So no need to write 90 plus. You can write 180 minus also. Can you anyone do this? Tan 150 degrees. Please write tan 150 degrees. How much its value?
Yes, 1/√3.
Huh?
So minus √3. Minus √3.
I'm repeating, see.
So minus 1/√3.
Minus √3.
Minus 1/√3.
So minus 1/√3.
So minus 1/√3 is the answer. Yes, so minus 1/√3.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Now everyone start doing sign. My board is not. I'm able to screen. I'm able to share. That's why you do it. Sign. Tan. I gave na before question. Tan 1.
Tan 150. Tan 150.
Can you calculate tan 150? How much?
Minus 1.
Minus
So
1/√3.
-1/√3.
Minus 1/√3.
Next question is. Next question is. See cosecant 220. One switch. 210. Cosecant 210. Cosecant 210. Can anyone? Debashish, can you say me the answer? Cosecant 210. Cosecant 210. Can you please say anyone answer?
Minus
Cosecant 210 हो गया cosecant 210.
sir. Minus
Excellent.
√3.
Tan. Now try to do it. Tan 390. See, when I gave 390 na, when I gave 390, so what are the numbers we have? What are the numbers we have? 90, 180, 270, 360. These are the numbers we have. So if I gave 390, try to convert in terms of 360 plus. Why? Because 390 का नीचे वाला 360 है ना, so try to convert in terms of 360, then the problem become easy.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Once everyone try to do it. One more question. Cos. Anamika, I'll explain tomorrow. Why? Because I'm not able to share my screen. I disconnected and I joined back. That's why, or else I can explain. Write the questions itself. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, again we'll join. At that time, please make me to. Sir, this is the question I didn't understand. Sir, explain me. At that time, I'll explain. Again, one more class we have on trigonometry. No problem. Now, one more question. Sine 420. Try to do it. Sine 420. Sine 420.
Root 3 by 2.
I don't.
Sir, root 3 by 2. Sir, was the answer right?
Yeah. No, we have to check, Baba. We can't say directly right. We have to check it and we have to just you write the question and answer. While I am doing, I will say whether it is correct or not. Last question. Cos 135. 135 means it's 90 ka nearer na. So 90 plus kitna number, it will become like that. We have to see.
Sir, 1 by root 2.
Okay.
Sir,
For
minus
Ramakrishna.
Minus 1 by root 2.
Oh, Ramakrishna. Check it once. Minus 1 by root 2. Okay, that's end for the today. And
Yes, sir.
if you
Minus 1
people
by
are
root 2.
not able to understand, this particular thing, so while we can share the screen at the next day, please remember me. I'll repeat it again. Okay. Thank you very much. Be
Thank you,
safe.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.